Hello everyone, I hope that you have a great day today. In this video, we are going to cover very basic MySQL SQL command about creating, reading data or displaying data, updating data and delete data. We call it, usually call it CRUD, okay? And then again, here will be our goal, how to put this a LAMP together, Linux Apache web server, Maria database, and PHP together to eventually create in some kind of online cyber lending forum application like this, because if you can show this one to your potential employer, then they can know, they will know that, definitely will know that, I mean, you know how to set up the web server, how to set up a website for a regular user, how to retrieve data from a web form using PHP and insert data into the database, for example, a comment table, and then display the data eventually. Okay, so this is our final goal. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. All right, so here will be the part related to the CRUD, accrued command. Okay, yeah. So I have my virtual machine up and running already, and I assume you have yours as well. Okay, and then you have the, I have the Maria database server installed already. Okay, so let's try some of the basic command. Okay, I'll cover some of the basic command. So I need to create a database. Okay, so it's better that I switch to the root user. Okay, yeah, mode. Okay. All right, so you can see that from the prompt side, the root user, okay, and then I do not have the security setup, so I can just type in MySQL, press enter key, then you can see that the prompt side changed to MariaDB, and then not means no that database has been selected yet, okay, but then you can see that I'm able to log it in without any password or username. But if you have your security database get set up, then you can try command like this. MySQL space -u means the user, and then space the username and space -p mean prompt the password. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's continue on to the next one. Okay. Next one kind of SQL. Okay. Kind of we want to see what databases we have. Okay. So we can issue the command show databases. Okay, and put the semicolon at the end. Okay, then you can see that this is just a brand new MySQL database server or Maria database server got set up. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 databases over there. Okay, and then assume that we want to create our own. Okay, so what can we do? Then from the command here, you can see that you can type in create database and then the name of the database. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, create database, the keyword, and then the name of the database. Okay, so let me call it demo. Okay, test underscore demo. Okay, press enter key. And then again, I always get kind of remind myself and my student, hey, when you add something, change something, always display something to make sure that the way you think is the same as the computer. So if I use the up arrow key, then you can see that I can circle through the commands I just used a moment ago. Then I can see whether the database has been created or not. Okay, by using these show space databases command. There you go. Okay, so the database is there. Okay, so far so good, right? But then how about connect to the database, so, or use the database. Okay, so you can use the use command or connect command is really up to you. So let me try to use the one from the PowerPoint. Okay, yeah, all right. Okay, so the test underscore, it did not show, but is there. Okay, yeah. There we go. Okay, so let me see. Okay, Okay, you have an error in syntax. Okay, let me try again. Okay, connect, get test, okay, demo, okay, and then semicolon. Okay, oops, still won't allow me to do that. Okay, let me pause the video for a sec. Okay. My bad, I got a typo. Okay, it should be 2 ends, not 3 ends. Okay, my bad. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so you can see that now the prompt sign changed to test underscore demo. Okay, which means that I have connected to the database. But then okay, how do I know what tables are there available? So I can use this show space tables command to see it. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you can see that there's no databases. There are no databases. No, sorry, there are no tables have been created. Okay, yet. Okay, so it's fine. Okay, let's try how to create a one. So from the kind of the command on the left, you can see that I mean, we want to create a table, call it products table. You can call whatever name you like, it really doesn't matter. And to keep it simple, we want to set up 4 fields, the ID, the name, quantity, and price. And in addition to that, each field, we want to set up some special attributes. For example, the ID will store the integer value and has to have it, not null. Okay, and it will be the primary key. Okay, and it will be auto increment. Okay, which means that each time when the a new record is inserted into the table, okay, a value, let's say, and a value of 1 will be added to the largest ID value available in that table. Okay, so that is the auto increment. Assume that we start with the ID of 1. Okay, and then next one will be the name, variable character length, but then maximum characters will be 20, keep it short. Okay, next one will be quantity, integer value data type, and then price, decimal, similar to double, maximum 9 significant digits, and then for the decimal digits, we just want to keep 2. So let's see how to create a one like that. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to type this command. Okay, let me create, and then table, the keyword, the name of the table, products, table. Okay, and then left parentheses. And you can see that the prompt sign changed to this dash greater than sign, means that is the continuation of the previous command. Okay, and then once you have done it, then you can put the semicolon. I will show it to you in a minute. Okay, so let me type in the ID, integer, not no. Okay, and is a primary key. Okay, primary key. Okay, auto. Okay, increment underscore, don't forget about it. Okay, increment. Okay, to be honest with you, I'm not very good at typing. Okay, yeah, but let me try my best. Okay, name, variable character, maxima 20 characters long. Okay, and then enter, then the quantity. Okay, yeah, integer data type. Okay, and then the price. Okay, decimal. Okay. And then maximum significant digits will be 9, 2 decimal digits. All right, so once you have done all the commands, then remember to type in this semicolon to indicate the end of the statement. Okay, so let me double check to make sure that I have typed everything correctly. Okay, hopefully, hopefully, yeah. So let me see, ID in not no primary key, auto increment, and then name, quantity, price. Let's see. Let me cross my finger and press the enter key. So this is good. Okay, a lot of times I have to type many times. Okay, yeah. So you can see that if you see something like this one, query okay. Okay, 0 rows affected means hey, good news. But again, when you add something, change something, always what? display something to make sure that the way you think is the same as the computer. So I'm going to issue the show tables command. There you go. Okay, good news. I have my table created. But then again, how do you know all the individual fields has been set up correctly? Okay, then you can use this describe and then the name of the table to do it. Okay, yeah. There you go. Okay, so you can see that it gives you a brief overview about the fields. We have 4 of them, and then their data type, and can they be null, and then other attributes, primary key, and then any default value, and the ID is auto increment. Okay, so far so good. All right, so far so good. So again, keep a habit that when you add something, change something, always display something to make sure that the way you think is the same as the computer. All right, okay, so next one, okay, we have the, we are going to try the basic. Again, this is not a course about a database. This is course about Unix networking, right? So we're going to try the very basic command, CRUD, create, delete, create, read, update, delete, okay? Yeah, so create will be how do you insert, values into the table. And then read will be the select command, and then update is the update command, SQL update command, delete is the delete, and create is equivalent to insert into SQL command. Okay, we call it SQL structured query language. All right, okay, so let's play with it. Okay, let's play with it again. Yeah. To learn something, the best way is really get your hands dirty. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is just again a quick review. Okay, quick review. Let's try something to insert some data into the table first. Okay, all right. Okay, so the create will be the insert in SQL will be the insert into products table, the name of your table. Okay, and then followed by the values, and then followed by the value for each field. Okay, so I'm going to try something simple here. Okay, and then 20 0.55. Okay, all right. Okay, so you can see that I'm about to execute a command, insert into the name of the table, products table, and what values it will be no, cheap, and then 20, and then 0.55. Okay, so you might be thinking that, I mean, what is this no about? Okay, so this no represent or map to the ID field. Okay. Again, because we set it as auto increment, okay, so we don't need to manually put a value there. Okay, but then okay, we still need to kind of wanted to indicate that, hey, I mean, we are going to insert 4 fields into the 4 values into the 4 fields in the table. Okay, so we keep this one, first one here, no. Again, different databases might use different commands, okay, but then for the Maria database, we can try this. So then the second value represents the name of the product. Okay, next one will be the quantity. Okay, next one will be the unit price. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's try that. Okay, let's try that. Okay, oh, so far so good. Okay, anytime you see this query, okay, means good news. Okay, good news. Okay, so okay, let's insert one more record. Okay, let's insert one more record. Yeah. So let me use up arrow key. This time, let me try gums. Okay, yeah, gums, and then let me see what is the unit price. Okay, we want to set up here. Okay, so same price. Okay, yeah, okay, keep it simple. Yeah, but different product. You know, I get different product. Yeah, let me press the enter key. Okay, there you go. Okay, so we have inserted two records. Okay, but then again, I mean, how do you know that the two records has been inserted into the table correctly? So again, keep the same principle. When you add something, change something, always display something to make sure that the way you think is the same as a computer. Okay, and then you can see that. Okay, there is a command, okay, a SQL command, okay, called select. Okay, so you can try this command select. Okay, a space, okay, and then asterisk means the wildcard. Okay, space, okay, from the name of the table. Then you can see that okay, it will display all the fields from the table and its corresponding values. Okay, so let's try it out. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, so let me try select asterisk, and then from the products, products table. Products table. And then that's it. Okay, so again, asterisk, the wildcard character means all the fields. Okay, how many fields we have? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fields, and all the records, or all the entities in this table. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, so let me see. Okay, I got a typo something. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, select space asterisk products table. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, let me pause the video. Okay, so again, I'm not very good at typing. Okay, yeah. Oh, my bad. Okay, I missed the from keyword. Okay, yeah, I missed the from keyword. Okay, please bear with me. Okay, yeah, please bear with me. All right. Okay, so let me add that keyword in there. Okay. All right, and then there you go. So far, so good, right? The two records we have inserted into the table, all got inserted correctly. So even though the demonstration as of now is short, but then it shows the create, right, which will be equivalent to the insert into, and also how to read data out of it. Okay, you can use this select command to do it. Okay, all right. Okay, then let's see. Okay, how about if we just want to show maybe just few fields instead of all the fields, then what going we do? Then you can see that you can pick the field name, the right ID, name, quantity from whatever table. Okay, or you can even add a criteria like this. Okay, select ID name from the table, and then add this filtering or screening criteria to it. Okay. So again, this is not a course about database. Okay. So I will just show you some very, very basic one. Okay. Yeah. So again, let me try this. Select ID, and then name, and then quantity from the products table. Okay. Products table. Okay. So not bad. This time I type in everything correctly. Okay, so you can see that it only display 3 fields for us because we pick it. So instead of 4 fields. Okay, all right. But then how about again maybe some criteria. So we can see that we have okay, uh, two products having the price of 55 cents. So let's try some criteria there. But then before we do that, let me add one more items to it. Okay, yeah. So maybe maybe some water, right? And then 99 cents. For example, yeah. Okay, all right. Okay, and maybe quantity set it to just get 10. All right. Okay, so now you can see that if we try to display products, then we have 3 items over there. Okay, and then let me try the price as well. Show the price as well. Yeah. All right. Okay. But then now I'm going to share with you about if you want to add this criteria, then what can we do? Okay, so let me show all the fields. Okay, yeah. So we got to add the where price. Okay, price is less than 0.55. There you go. So you can see that by adding this where criteria, cross, then we can kind of pick and choose for the records unit price is less than or equal to 55. So you can see that the water did not get picked. Okay, but again, this is just a very basic demonstration. Okay, yeah, they are way more SQL commands or criteria. You can set it up. Okay, I'm not going to bother you with it. Okay, yeah. All right. Next one about how about the update? Okay, how about the update? So assume that okay, we want to get kind of update the items and then to set maybe the unit price for the item with ID 2 from 55 to 55 cents to 35 cents. For whatever reasons, maybe it's during promotion or something, right? Okay, so how do we do that? Okay, then we can use this update. Okay, so let me set this one aside a little bit so you can see better. Okay, update, products table. Okay, and then set price to 0.35. Okay, let me use single quote. Okay, it should be fine. Yeah, and then use this criteria where ID equal 2. Okay, yeah. So again, this is a kind of a single equal comparison operator, not double comparison operators, like most of the programming languages. Okay, so be aware of the situation. Okay, and let me press the enter key. So again, when you add something, change something, always display it, and you can see that it shows that one row has been changed. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, yeah, let's check it out. Okay, just use this simple command. Yeah. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you can see that the item with all the record with ID of 2, the unit price has been changed to 0.35. Okay, so again, you can see these where clause can really give you a lot of choices. Okay, so but in the meantime, be aware that if you use this kind of option here, all these criteria here, let me see. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Such as where ID greater than equal to 2. Ooh, wow. Be careful that then if you have kind of 100 records in there, having 100 records in there, and then the ID start from 2 and up, then all the unit price will be changed. Okay. So be aware, again, be aware of this kind of situation. Okay. Use it with caution. Okay, yeah. All right. Okay, so let me show to you. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, if I try this greater than equal ID, and then assume that I'm going to set the ID to 25 cents. Okay, then you can see that not only record 2, record with ID 2 and will be the unit price will be changed to 25 cents. 3 record with ID of 3 will be changed as well. Okay, so again, let me show to you. Okay, yeah, so you can see that 2 rows get affected. Okay, 2 rows affected. Again, when you add something, change something, always display something to make sure that the way you think is the same as the computer. All right, I think that that covered the very basic CRUD, CRUD command. Okay, yeah, create, read, update, delete. Oh, sorry, my bad. I haven't covered delete yet. Okay, yeah. So this is the delete. Okay, yeah. So delete. Okay. From delete. Okay. from, okay, oh, I'm not very good at typing. Delete, okay, from, oh, this is TE, okay, delete, okay, from the product, okay, products table, okay, and where, okay, ID, okay, okay, let's just delete number 2, okay, yeah. So, okay, again, I don't want to delete 2 records, okay, so let me try it, okay. All right, and then again display it. Then you can see that record, okay, with, okay, all entity with ID2 is gone. Okay, so use it again. Use this kind of command, okay, with precaution. Okay, yeah. Okay, so again, now we have covered the CRUD, basic CRUD command already, okay, in SQL language. Okay. All right, so okay, what I'm going to show you next one is that, okay, in case that, okay, let me reduce the size. Yeah, in case that, okay, if, okay, under some occasions that, okay, you prefer to write a script, okay, okay, to create a table, okay, and then insert the data into it, okay. Can you do that? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, you can just use nano, okay, to create a file, okay, containing all those commands at it. And then, okay, you pick whatever file name you like, okay, file name you like it. But then by convention, usually you end it with .sql, okay, it means SQL, okay, command, okay. And then, okay, okay, if, okay, 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 you have to type, okay, certain commands, okay, into the next line, okay. Then the MySQL needs you, okay, to use this, okay, so-called backward slash, okay, indicating that there is a line continuation, okay, kind of character, okay. So usually I will do this space and put, okay, something over here, okay, yeah. All right, and then you can run it from the command line, okay? Use this input redirection command to do it, okay? So okay, let me see whether I have some example ready to show to you or not, okay? Yeah. All right, okay, so let me see, okay? Let me set this one aside first, okay? Okay, let me exit my uh, database from the database mode. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so yeah, I guess I have one, okay, there. Okay, so okay, let me use nano, okay, text editor. Okay, so nano, okay, product tab. Okay, there you go. So you can see that I have kind of similar command to the left. Okay, yeah. Okay, so okay, let me set this one aside. Yeah, okay. So I type connect to the name of the database, and then I commented out this command up here. Okay, so drop the table if it exists. Okay, yeah. Again, there's a table with the name there already, so I don't want to drop it. Okay, and create a table if not exist. Okay. So let me change this one to table 2 again for demonstration purpose. Okay. And then again, I would like to set up 4 views, and you can see that in order to let you see better, okay, I kind of type all those 4 views into 4 lines, okay. But then to continue on to the next view, I use this 9 continuation character, okay. Then next one, I want to insert kind of simply 4 records. Okay, so I might have to change the name to table 2. Okay, table 2, table 2, table 2. Okay, again for demonstration purpose. Okay, all right, and then let me save it. Okay, let me save it. Okay, so now, under the prompt sign, then I can run this command. Okay, I can run this command, MySQL, okay, and then input redirection, the name of the script. Okay, yeah. So let me try that. Okay, let me try that. So I'm going to run MySQL, the name of the script. Okay, so tab. Okay, you will fill in everything for me. Press enter key. Now, again, double check it when you add something, change something. Always display something to make sure that the way you think is the same as the computer. So I'm going to connect to the test demo database, all right? And then I'm going to show the tables. There you go, pretty neat, all right? Okay, I have 2 tables created. Okay, and then I'm going to use the select all the fields from products. Okay, okay, products. Okay, table 2. Okay, yep. Oops, sorry. Let me see. I got a typo again. Yeah. Ooh, again, got a typo. Okay, my bad. Okay, yeah. All right, there you go. It's just that easy, okay? It's just that easy. Oh, one thing I want to mention that in case that for beginners, sometimes you might forgot to type this semicolon at the end of the command. Then you will see some prompt sign like this. No big deal. Just add this semicolon and everything will be fine. Okay. Yeah. All right. So it's pretty neat. Pretty neat. So we have covered the very basic ones. So in case that if again you have the security setup, and then you want to run your own using the script to create a table or maybe insert data into the table of your database, then what can you do? Then you can use this MySQL space -u and then the name of the database owner, and then -p, the prompt sign, and then input redirection, and then the name of your script, press enter key, and then type in the password, then you'll be fine, okay? All right, next one, in case that for whatever reasons, you have to drop the table, okay? You have to drop the table, which means you have to delete the table. Then you can use this drop command to do it, okay? So there you go. Let me show the tables, okay? So you can see I have 2 tables there, right? And then can I delete it? Okay. Oh yeah, products, okay. Okay, table 2. Okay, again, this is for demonstration purpose. Okay, yeah, and then double check it. Boom, it's gone. Okay, you say okay. I mean, pretty neat. Can I drop the database? Yes, you can. Okay, but then again, please proceed with precaution. Okay, so you can even drop the database. My database is called a test. Okay, underscore demo. Okay. Okay, and then if I try to show databases, okay, boom, gone. Okay, so please be aware that I purposely put this note over here. Okay, very, very dangerous. Okay, make sure you know what you are doing. Okay, yeah, when you try to issue this command. Okay, but again, I mean, this is for demonstration purpose. Okay, so I would like to cover some very basic ones. Okay, all right. Okay, have fun again. I mean, database administrator or programmer got a really big job market. They are way more than what I covered here. You can learn and play with. Okay, yeah, have fun and then enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video. Okay, yep.